All right, guys, so we're back on the red carpet, and I have the pleasure interviewing this lovely young lady. This is Ann-Margaret Carrozza. Ann, how you doing?
A pleasure to be here, thanks.
We're happy to have you. We're honored to have you. First of all, thank you for sponsoring this amazing event. I know Dave, I know Erica are really honored to have you. What made you come out and really say, you know what, I need to be a part of this?
You know what, this is an organization that just makes sense, right? When you hear about it, you're like, wow. You know, this is doing something and not just pointing fingers and talking about the solution. So from my perspective, what I do as an estate planning and asset protection attorney, I want to get involved in planned giving for this organization. You know, why are people not putting this organization in their wills and their estate plans? Yeah. So that's what I want to bring to the table.
Wow, that's really amazing. And I love the generosity. I love the selfless act that you're doing right now. You've done so many things for the community. Like you said, the estate planning, maybe making people aware of things that they may not know. Because we all make mistakes in life when it comes to our estate. What is something that you see every day that people overlook that's very important to when they're planning their estate?
You know what I think is crazy? Over the past 15 years, we've all become personal finance geniuses.
Of course.
But what the heck does it matter how much we save and how well we invest if I have a 40% chance of losing it in a divorce or a long-term illness or taxes? So that's what I want to bring to LifeCamp. If you can put in your estate plan the following statement: any dollar otherwise payable in estate taxes, I give to LifeCamp. So you're not taking away from your family, but you're supporting an organization rather than giving the dollars to the government that doesn't always do the right thing.
That's pretty incredible. And part of LifeCamp's mission, a big part of it, is education. Now you're educating the families, the young kids, on financing. Because when you and I were growing up, if we didn't listen to our parents, we were screwed because they were trying to guide us in the right direction. You know, they have that old theory like, I wish I knew back then what I knew now. And now you're giving the opportunity for kids and families to get to know these things that are important. Now, is that one of your driven goals on why you decided to do this, especially when you came to LifeCamp?
Well, I love groups that make a positive impact. And Dave Huey, the guy who introduced me to LifeCamp, that's what he's about. And he's a tremendous, phenomenal guy, and I would support anything that he tells me to. But this organization, if it has more resources, it's going to help more folks, and it's going to promote better solutions out there.
Yeah, and I love it. And just to let everybody know, you have a book that recently came out, I believe, Love and Money.
Money, protecting yourself from angry exes, wacky relatives, con artists, and inner demons. And I think we all have some of those. But it's about really taking control of our own financial and legal life so we don't get steamrolled.
Yeah, and I love that you're doing all that. I love the book. Now, people wanted to purchase this book. Where's the best place that they can go to pick up this book?
Barnes & Noble or Amazon.
All right, guys, you heard it right here. Ann-Margaret Carrozza, right here on the red carpet at Par4Peace at the golf tournament. One of the biggest sponsors, but one of the biggest people that you guys need to listen to when it comes to your finances, right here on FaceTime with Todd Wharton.
Ann-Margaret Carrozza here, former New York State Assemblywoman, author, and attorney, here for the first annual Par4Peace golf outing, supporting LifeCamp, an organization doing tremendous things out there.